Today we are going to discuss unit number 9 from your textbook. The unit is liquid measurements. After writing the first subtopic, volume and capacity, you have to do the review exercise. In first question, you have to copy down the table. In the second one, no need to write the question, but you have to copy down these two images. Okay, then fill the tables given in there. In the third one, no need to write anything. You have to just write the answers. After completing the review exercise, you have to write the first subtopic number 9.1. The relationship between a cubic centimeter and a milliliter. Sorry. Now, there's a syringe given in this figure. Can you see? දීලා තියෙනවා සිලින්ජර් එකක් දීලා තියෙනවා. වල සිලින්ජර් එකක් ළඟට අරන් බැලුවා නම් ඒකේ කැපැසිටි එක ගහලා තියෙනවා මෙන්න මෙහෙම. cc/ml. The meaning of term cc means cubic what? Sorry. Cubic centimeters. Cubic centimeters. ml means milliliters. Now, there's a doubt. The doubt is whether this unit is equal to this one. අපිට තියෙන ප්‍රශ්නේ තමයි cc ගාන කියන එක මිලිලීටර් ගානට සමානද කියලා. Oh, sum. Then we can say that 1 cubic meter. Sorry, 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter. Then you learnt about this unit in previous grades. When we consider a cube with the measurements 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, that means length, breadth and height are 1 centimeter. Okay? When we fill up this cube with water or some liquid, the amount is exactly equal to 1 milliliter. So we can say that 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter. Okay, now using this knowledge, we are going to discuss more examples based on this part. After writing the subtopic, you have to copy this down into your notebook. Okay. Then we are going to move on to the first example from this part. Now see, in page number 121, example 1. A cuboid-shaped glass container of length 20 cm with 15 and height 10. Now, what you have to find first? You have to find the volume in cubic centimeters. So, we know the formula. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Then length is 20, breadth is 15. You have to mention the units also, into height 10. Okay. Then when we multiply these value, it is 3000 cubic centimeters. Okay. Then the answer for the first part is volume in cubic centimeters. It is 3000. Now let's see the second one. What is the capacity of the container in liters? ධාරිතාවය අහනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ ඒ වාජනේ මුළුමනින්ම පිරෙවුවම. ධාරිතාවය අපි අනිවාර්යෙන් කියන්නේ මිලිලීටර්ස් වලින්. කියුබික් සෙන්ටිමීටර්ස් වලින් කියන්නේ වොලියුම් එක. හරි. දැන් ධාරිතාවය. මොන හරි ද්‍රවයකින් මේ වාජනේ පුරවන්න පුළුවන් උපරිම ද්‍රව පරිමාණයට තමයි capacity කියන්නේ. Then we know 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter. Therefore, in here we have 3000 cubic centimeters. Therefore, the capacity is equal to 3000 milliliters. You can just write it like this. Okay. Now, the last one. If the liquid in the container is to be stored in a vials, කියන්නේ මොනවාද? චූටි කුප්පි අර බෙහෙත් ඉන්ජෙක්ෂන් එහෙම දාලා ඉන්න පොඩි බෝතල් අන්න ඒවයි. Of capacity 50 milliliter each, find the number of vials required to store all the liquid in the container. Then we have 3000 milliliters. Now we are going to store this volume in 50 milliliter bottles. So you have to find how many bottles are needed. What you have to do is, the number of bottles that we need is 3000 milliliters divided by 50 milliliters. Then when we divide this one, එකට පහෙන් 6යිනේ. එතකොට මෙතනට නම් 60. නේ 60 px. අපිට චූටි කුප්පි 60ක් ඕනි වෙනවා. Okay, easy. Now let's see the second example. Then 8000 liter of water is in the cuboid shaped concrete tank consisting of a base of length 2 meter and width 1 meter. Find the height to which the water is filled in the tank. Okay, I think the question is clear. මොකද්ද කියන්නේ? අපිට තියෙනවලු ටැංක් එකක්. ඒකේ වතුර පුරවලා තියෙනවලු ලීටර් 800ක්. අපෙන් අහනවා මේකේ කොච්චර උසටද වතුර පිරීලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා. හරි. මේක කොහොමද හොයන්නේ? So give me a minute. මේක ගියා උඩට ෆෝන් එකේ ඉන්නේ බලන්නේ. Okay, now we have 800 liters. Okay, now the base in the tank this is the tank. The length is 2 meters. The breadth is 1 meter. Okay, you have to find the height of the water level. වතුර පිරලා තියෙන උස තමයි හොයන්න ඕනේ. මේකේ තියෙනවා 800 liters. Then what you have to do? 800 liters. First thing, we can convert these liters into milliliters. You know this relationship. 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. Therefore, to convert liters to milliliters, you have to multiply this by 1000. Then 800 multiplied by 1000 milliliters. Then 800,000 milliliters. Now we know the length and breadth in meters. To take a relationship between this one and this one should be in centimeters. අපිට මේ දෙන්න අතර සම්බන්ධයක් ගන්න නම් මෙයා සෙන්ටිමීටර් වලින් තියෙනවා නේද? මිලිලීටර් එක්ක සම්බන්ධ වෙන්නේ cubic centimeters නේ. So we are going to convert this into centimeters. 200 centimeters. This one 100 centimeters. Let's imagine the height as h. What you have to find is h. අපි දැන් දන්නවා පතුලේ දිගයි පළලයි දන්නවා ලීටර් 800ක් පිරීලා තියෙනවා. එතකොට height එක කීයද කියලා තමයි හොයන්නේ. එහෙනම් දිගයි පළලයි උසයි ගුණ වුණාම මේ උත්තරේ ලැබෙන්න ඕන. එමනේ. Now this one is in milliliters. Here the units are centimeters. To make them equal, I am going to convert milliliters into cubic centimeters. You know that 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter. So, this is equal to 800,000 cubic centimeters. Now, the volume V equal length into breadth into height. Now we know the volume. The volume is 800 liters. That means 800,000 cubic centimeters. We know the volume. We know the length. We know the breadth. What we don't know is the height. So instead of height, you can use an algebraic term. Then we are going to solve this formula. Okay. Now instead of P, we can substitute 800,000. Because it is an equation, we don't mention the units. Here, length is 200, breadth 100, we don't know the height. Now let's simplify 800,000. Here, 2 into h. To find h, you have to divide h this side by 20,000 and this side also by 20,000. This one goes with this one, then 0, 4, 4, and 5. For 2 we have 1, 480. How many 2's are there? 40. Then 40 equal h. And okay. Then height is 40. Therefore we can write height. h කියන එක අපිනේ දැම්මේ. එහෙනම් h කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා ලියන්න ඕනේ. Height is, now the unit is centimeters. 40 centimeters. Height is 40 centimeters. I think it's clear. Now we have discussed 2 examples. Now, no need to write anything, no need to copy down any example into your notebook. After writing the subtopic, refer these 2 examples again and start to do the exercise 9.1. In this one also, no need to write questions. But in first one and the second one, there are some tables. In the first one, you have to match, so you have to copy that part. And in the second one, there's a table. You have to copy the table also. In the third, fourth and fifth, don't write the questions. Show the method and complete this exercise. Okay, thank you.